In the wealthiest circles of Victorian England, bizarre fads ran rampant, but perhaps none was as strange as the tapeworm diet, in which dieters swallowed unhatched tapeworm and let it grow inside them by consuming undigested meals. Obviously, this is an exceptionally dangerous and unhealthy way to manage the weight. However, while modern fad diets aren't usually this extreme, they do promise similar results, specifically losing weight fast. So, are there any fast diets that do work? And are any of them actually healthy for you? To answer these questions, let's consider a thought experiment. Sam and Felix are identical twins both planning to go on a diet. They share the same height, weight, fat, and muscle mass. But Sam is hoping to lose weight slowly, while Felix wants to go fast. Sam's plan is to gradually decrease his calorie intake and increase his regular exercise, with less energy coming in and more being expended. He's creating an energy deficit inside his body. To compensate, Sam's body begins breaking down his emergency glucose supply, stored in the liver in the form of glycogen. Then, after 4 to 6 hours, his body starts burning fat cells. As a major energy, this process releases lipid droplets, which are broken down into compounds that float through bloodstream and provide energy to organs and tissues. Felix aims to create a similar energy deficit by dramatically cutting his calorie intake. Unlike Sam, who's still eating smaller meals, Felix is eating almost nothing. His body responds by going into a starvation response. Felix's body breaks down his entire store of emergency glucose in just 18 hours. And while Sam steadily replenishes glycogen with every healthy meal, Felix's low-calorie diet does not. Desperate for energy, his body starts breaking down other materials